Presenting Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G in the color green. It is also available in beige and black colors. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's striking symmetrical design is made of recycled and eco-conscious materials. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Also available in 512GB and 1TB storage variants. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O Quad HD Plus Edge screen with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate delivers clear, colorful details on screen. Moving on to its pro-grade camera, which grabs brighter photos and video, dusk to dawn. Built with 200-megapixel resolution to deliver strikingly clear photos. The intelligent pixel sensor adapts to low light with night photography, and the camera lens tones down flare for clearer captures. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy optimizes and streamlines your device for silky smooth games without draining the battery. The built-in S Pen keeps the legacy of Note for jotting notes effortlessly. Get long-lasting battery performance with 5000 mAh battery. The box includes the smartphone, data cable, ejection pin, manual and S Pen. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.